Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, November 30th. We see the sell-off in the NASDAQ market as those stocks react to the potential tax changes. We're seeing a sell-off in some of those. There's a difference in terms of how small cap, medium cap, and large cap stocks would be affected by these potential Senate changes to the tax code. And we're seeing the sell-off here in the FANG from Apple to Amazon. Those are getting hit today. I do not look for dramatic follow-through, though, on Thursday. I'm looking for an inside type day. In fact, I'm looking for strength coming back in to the NASDAQ market. But let's move over and take a look at what's going on with these currencies. And what we can see here with the euro is that this market is not really too sure what to do. It's getting near levels that buyers have come in, and I do look for follow-through to the upside. So I'm looking for the euro to get stronger and the dollar to get weaker for Thursday's action. And in the interest rate markets, I like the action that we're seeing here. I think it's very logical based on the fundamental data that's been coming out. I do look for follow-through to the downside, but about a third of the range that we're seeing here right now. Gold doesn't know what to do either. It's also a logical movement in that market, that downward pressure, as some of these other markets do strengthen. So, what do we look for here? I'm looking for continued weakness. I don't think there's a reason to be a buyer at these levels. And then when it comes to crude oil, well, it's not sure what to do because it's not sure what OPEC's going to do. This makes sense, and I'm looking for more of this action. The bias is for a move to the upside. I just don't see that happening at any point soon. But let's talk about beans. Beans doesn't know what to do either. I mentioned before, this is what I call a neutral zone trade, and we're seeing more of that action, and I'm looking for more of that on Thursday. Now, wheat, on the other hand, traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change here between that bearish and bullish level is $350 a contract, and I look for an unchanged, only slightly higher day for Thursday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.